Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this Samsung. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. After that, get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, choose while using the app and select Allow. Finally, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on Home button. Now click on iOS Launcher, Setup Always, and tap on Got It. As you can see, after that, app layout was applied successfully on my Samsung. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by accessing Devices Settings, scrolling all the way down and choosing Apps. Now click on Choose Default Apps at the top and tap on Home app. Lastly, you can click on your default launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!